Alright, well, I tried to print a couple of these. This one here, I can't get it to completely go together. It doesn't really matter. There's no spot for an antenna. And it does kind of fit otherwise, I guess. Printed this one, and it warped really bad. So it might be usable, but I don't know. And then we started to have problems printing here. I turned the fan off because I think maybe the big fan in the back is just cooling it off too much. So this is PLA. I'm just going to leave the door open on the enclosure and just let it print. See how it comes out. You got a little bit of clear left. Really used to be cool to have in a clear case. So we'll see if this one fails or not. I had to do a bed leveling and a bunch of other crap just to get it to start working again. They kind of mess with the Z offset. This printer's usually pretty good, but what I find is this thing would never ever print right at the speeds that they recommend that it can print at. So everything's always like turning down the acceleration speed and all that. It doesn't print at 500 millimeters a second. It doesn't print at 300. You basically got to slow this thing down to like, I don't know what, 100 to 200. Otherwise, you're going to be spending a whole lot of time fixing prints and doing it over again.